we're going to drill a hole for the front of our birdhouse. So this is the Craftsman V20 entry-level drill that they have. It's got 2 speeds along the top. So it's got a rotating clutch here. So if you're driving very small screws in and you need it to automatically stop, as it goes, it'll stop turning automatically if it gets that tension, so you can adjust it down. If you're going to be drilling like we are, we're going to go all the way up to the where the indicator says drill mode, because we're going to be drilling into this. We have 2 different speeds. If you're doing stuff heavy duty, you can go to the 1. That's the lower torque range. You also notice it has a built-in light. Hopefully you guys can see that. So it actually lights up your work surface. I've had tools that do this before, but the one thing is the light turns off prematurely. So what's neat about this is the light stays on, and then just to activate it, just pull the trigger slightly. You don't even have to start the tool, and you can activate that light. Makes getting set up when it's dark, if you're trying to use this thing in cramped spaces, it makes setting it up really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and open the chuck up. It goes to up to a 1/2 inch drive. So it can do pretty large tools. I can tighten it by hand, and there we go. So now it's in and tight. I can go forward and reverse. If I had one gripe to say about this tool, it's that this is too small. This is your forward and reverse selector. It is way too small. And then I'm going to drill a hole towards the top of this birdhouse, so you can do it right about where the roof line is, because they'll actually fly up and in to this. So I'm going to go ahead and start screwing it in. And now it's out. And another nice thing about this, when you do it that way, it technically gives you something to grab onto here. So you could potentially rock it back and forth. So there we go. So that's the last cut technically that we need to make here.